Need to deliver documents to your partner or flowers to your mom or wife? Or maybe products for your customers? How about catering or moving services? Senpex is here to provide you with smart, fast, and affordable door-to-door delivery anywhere you want. You can be at home or at work, in the forest or in space, even at all these places at the same time. All you need to start is a web browser, iOS or Android device. Go to www.senpex.com or install Senpex app to your mobile device. Create client account following simple steps. Log in as registered user or make an instant order as guest. Choose desired pickup and drop-off points. Specify size of your parcel and type of vehicle you prefer. For your convenience, Senpex insures each parcel up to $250 value. You may as well specify estimated price of your parcel and Senpex will offer you best insurance rates from our partners. Make a request for urgent delivery or schedule your pickup date and time. Delivery to multiple locations is available using Senpex multi-route feature. Just add new drop-off point. Would like to schedule regular deliveries? Senpex offers repetitive orders which allows to have regular deliveries anytime you like. When you're ready, click Calculate Price button to get the best price. Now only few more steps left. Specify your order details, parcel information, pickup, and drop-off information. Last step is paying for your order. It is super easy. You may pay with a credit card, PayPal, or ask recipient to pay. Now confirm the payment and enjoy your day. Our tracking system notifies you about order progress by email and push notification. Which courier is assigned to your order? When order is accepted for dispatching? When order is delivered? Always on time, accurate and precise, easy as never before. Your Senpex.